We have a glamour on display for you today. On display today is a 2013 Tige RZR. It's equipped with a PCM Excalibur 343 horsepower 5.7 liter engine. This boat shows extremely well and has been super well maintained. Let's get into it. Have a look. All right, this boat is sitting on a paint over gal trailer. It's electric over hydraulic brakes. The bearings have been gone over, as well as discs and calipers all replaced. So the trailer has been fully serviced. The gel coat on this boat shows extremely well. It's been freshly polished. It's been hand waxed as well. I know this because I stood on the gel with my socks and nearly slipped off. It's obviously freshly been done. It's got a spare wheel width hub. Alloy wheels all the way around. Again, the gel shows extremely well. Full sheen, no oxidization or fading. Trailer has little to no corrosion. Transom shows quite well. There is the odd little nick that you'd expect from a boat of this age. It's not uncommon for the board to tap the transom as you put the board on. Underwater running gear, all showing perfectly. Also worth mentioning, the reverse lights on the trailer. Nice touch, nice feature. You've got your TAPS 2 system. The matting on the transom shows well. The upholstery in this boat is brand new. All the upholstery has been fully redone and looks factory, looks absolutely spectacular. Nice convenient walkthrough. Now, you also have your tower with 4 tower speakers. You've got 2 Rev 10 wet sound tower speakers, as well as a set of 8. You've got a pair of swivel board racks, surf racks, and wakeboard racks. This tower is a modern tower. This tower has also been replaced. I believe this is the 2017 or 2018 model. Bimini does have the surf straps for surfboards. And now for the cockpit. All the upholstery shows perfectly. There's not a nick, tear, blemish, or discoloring anywhere throughout the upholstery. Everything shows as new. This does have the touchscreen with all the presets. Best of both worlds has both analog as well as the touchscreen, so digital gauge and analog gauges. Both showing 640 hours. The engine has been freshly serviced and fully gone over. Down below, you've got your subwoofer. Inside the cockpit, you've got 4 coaxial mids and tweets, as well as a heater port. That vent does pull out. There's also a vent in the walkthrough. Same in the bow, all new upholstery, all showing perfectly. It looks like brand new. Not a blemish, not a mark, not a tear. You can see the gel is absolutely gleaming as well. Surf pockets on the Bimini. SD in the walkthrough. Lots of storage all the way around. This also has the upgraded surf ballast. So not only does this boat surf well, wakeboard well, but it also puts out quite a good slalom wake. Your Excalibur 343 horsepower, 5.7 liters. It's a 350 shove block. Shows quite well. This boat is in spectacular condition, exactly what you would want. in a well-maintained boat. So there you have it, our 2013 Tige RZR. This boat is in absolutely spectacular condition, extremely well maintained and well worth checking out. If you're interested in this boat, give me a call, Patrick 0427-162-749, or you can email me at patrick@coastalboatsales.com.au.